Now, here's the king of discipline, David Goggins, giving you his thoughts on talent, and then I'm going to modify it because some of the things that he's saying are slightly wrong.
This is going beyond your talent. So when there's no more talent, what happens to you? Most people quit. People only go to their talent level. And once your talent level is gone, it becomes a mental game. That the whole mental game sets in then. And most people can only perform to their talent.
Yes, it is a fact that talent itself is not really useful, but if you want to be a basketball player, a musician, or a runner sprinting, no matter how hard you train, you're never going to get to that same level of Usain Bolt because they're just using a bit of talent.
I see fighters, I see runners, I see people who they're great, but they get to the edge of their talent. It's like, fuck, man, what's up? Because you're now at the point now where your talent ain't gonna do shit for you, my friend. Now it's the mental game. And that's where people get lost in life, get lost in that next level.
Everyday lives, even in running marathons, talent is not required. Now, some of us were unlucky that we never got to discover our talent. We don't even know what our talent is because we were raised in these rather abusive homes and we had abusive friends. We just thought that dissing each other is the way to live, and we became fat and overeaters. So now we're not even sure whether you can sprint or not because they're just fat. All that talent is now hidden in the fate. Now, if you have had such life, such an unfortunate existence, then I am sorry. I had it too. I was really fat from around grade 7 to around form 4. Then I started to go to the gym and making some really lot of progress. The thing is, even today, I don't even know what my talent is. I'm still trying to figure it out. I'm currently getting into long distance running because I know that it's a mental game, not a physical game, and I believe I can win the mind. Yeah, you're watching videos like this and trying to change your life, then I believe in you. Now I need you to believe in yourself, and I'm going to see you at the top.